Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we will consider an area made up by these two curves. This is not your typical problem from analysis or calculus because we have to find the area between these two curves and we need to make the integral ourselves. Since we need to find the area, it's probably an integral like one single integral. Since one integral represents the area, we have the function which is the height and the dx which is the moving on the x-axis. So it's probably at one integral. But what we need to do is like find how these two functions actually look. Like when we set up the integral, we need to find the x values, let's say from minus c to c, for which the integral will go, like from minus c to c. So let's try to find the intersections, if there are any, like of these functions with the x-axis. 2x squared plus 1 equals 0. 2x squared equals negative 1. X squared equals negative 1 over 2. Okay. This function doesn't have any intersections with the x-axis. All right, and let's find if there are any of the other function. X squared plus 10 equals 0. X squared equals negative 10. And it looks like it doesn't have any intersections with the other one either. So, okay, so these functions are like above the x-axis. Above the x-axis, I can erase the negative part of the y. All right, so let's see what is the maximum of these two functions. Maybe we can find the area. Like, let's see. I will call this f1. This is this function f prime of 1x equals to 4x. 4x equals to 0, x equals to 0, and this looks like this. So the minimum of this function is when x is equal to 0. So f1 of 0 equals to 1 if we put x equals 0 here. So this first function starts at 1 on the y-axis. Let's see the other one, f2 prime of x. This one represents this one. And we have 2x. 2x equals to 0, x equals to 0. The same story like this, like with this one, the minimum of this function is 10. Right, we really don't need this anymore. We just need to see what's going on. And what's going on is the following. Like we have a situation, something like this. Like, and one function starts from 1 and goes up. And goes up. Let's see like this. Since it's always positive, the minimum, it will be when x is equals to 0 and it's 1 then. And the minimum of the other one is 10. So let's see here. All right, we don't have any intersections of these two functions with the x-axis, but we need the boundaries for the integral. So, I mean, what can we do? If there is any area, it must be found between these two functions. And the key to see it is that these functions, the first function, like it increases much faster than this one. It doesn't matter that it starts at 1 and this one at 10. It's just we have 2 and we have 1 here. So this function will like let me see if I can draw it better, something like this. And this one will go way slower than the other one. You know, I don't know if I draw it good, but something like this. And this will be the area we need to find. So as you can see, we need to find the intersection of these two functions. We really don't need this anymore. We found what we need. Let's find the intersection of these two functions. X squared plus 10. X squared equals 9 because 1 moves here and x squared moves there. X equals negative 3, plus minus 3. So this one is negative 3 and this one is 3. So let's see. Our integral goes from negative 3 to 3. And what are the functions? The top function is certainly this one. The top function is this one. We need to find the area. We need to subtract the top one from the bottom one in order to find the area in between. So we will have x squared plus 10 minus 2x squared plus 1 dx. Everything in parentheses. Yeah. We don't need this anymore. We will need space. And what we can realize now is that this function is even on a symmetric interval, so we can multiply everything by 2 and have this result. I mean, I don't want to calculate a lot. I can make mistakes, you know. Let's make our lives easier. Okay, dx. We can let's solve the algebra here. Not infinity, but 2. Okay, not 2 but 3. Sorry guys, I'm weird. Okay, x squared minus 2x is negative x squared, and 10 minus 1 is 9 minus x squared. And now let's just integrate this. This is 9x, and this is x to the third divided by 3, and this is from 0 to 3. Alright, let's erase this picture. Okay, we only need to calculate now. 2 times, I just integrate this term, and when we put 3 here, we get 27, because 9 times 3 is 27, I hope. And negative minus 3 to the third is 27 divided by 3, it's 9. So we get 2 times 27 minus 9 is 18, and the result is 36. So what did we actually get? We got the area. We got the area between two curves. It's like that area, what we found. Alright, that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like, share, and subscribe if you want to see more of this. And see you in the next video. Bye guys.